Everyone, this is Himal Dangal. Thank you for visiting my channel. And today, in this video, I am going to teach you how to install the Java JDK for the Java development. Okay. First of all, just come here. If you like my videos, then please subscribe. If it worked for you, then only you can subscribe. Otherwise, there is no matter for subscribing the channel. Okay. First of all, Java JDK is needed for the Java development. Eclipse, the platform for Java development, only runs in the PCs or computer where there is Java JDK installed. Okay. First of all, to install a Java JDK, you have to download the Java JDK, and for that you have to go for official website of Oracle. I'll give this link on the description. No need to worry about it. You can so that you can easily access to this platform. Okay, right here. This is the older version, and you can find your new version. Okay, you can download anyone. Just matter. Okay, whatever you do, just go for this one as a license. And for Linux, here you can find here, and Mac OS also you can find Solaris, and at last there is Windows. If your Windows is 36-bit, then download this one, and if your Windows is 64-bit, then download this one. Okay, mine is 64, so I have already downloaded this one, so no need for me to download this. Okay, and after that, what you have to do, you have to go to the file where you have to go to the folder where we have kept the Java JDK. I'll go up to here, right here. Okay, this is mine. This is my Java JDK. Right here, 64-bit, and I will go for this. Okay, just go for like this. Click on it. Go for yes. Okay, wait for some time. Please keep some patience. Okay, it is preparing to install. Okay, first of all like this. Okay, go for next. Development tools, monitor touch other things. Let's go for, and you can browse your locations wherever you want. I'm keeping it default. Okay, next. Okay, now it is installed. You should have some patience during installation. Without Java development kit, you cannot use the Eclipse, or neither you can use the Android Studio nor Visual Studio. At first, there should be Java available in your PC. Then only you can run it like that Android Studio or Visual Studio. Okay. So remember, at first for the basic, you have to install the Java SE development kit of any version. I mean, upper than 5. Leave it as it is. Default. If you want to change, then you can change from here. Location. Go for next. And okay, it is now installing. Let me say this Java development kit is provided by Oracle. It is a company which provides a development kit of Java. Just have a patience. Just wait for some minutes. Listen, just close here. Okay, like this. And for the successful installation, now you have to keep the path. The path for the Java JDK to access by your PC, and you have to go for this properties. It is same for as it is Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10. Like this, you can give the path. After going to the property, you have to go to the advanced system setting, and after that, environmental variables, and right here Java home. Okay, right here you have to provide one, link here. Sorry, not new. Go for uh, this name Java Home. Just go for Control C, copy, and the variable value. What's the variable value? You have to find the variable value. That means up to JDK. You have to provide the path. Okay, you have to just browse the directory. Go for this PC and just go to the folder where you have installed the Java JDK. Like this, Java JDK. Okay, go for okay, and here also go for okay. Okay, now it is path is set, and now here this you can find this one path. Double click it. Okay, after double click, what you have to do, you have to provide another new path here. For that, just open my computer, and after that just go where you have kept or installed the Java JDK, and here go for this bin, and like this go for Control C, I mean copy. After copying it, just go for new and Control V, I mean paste, and after that go for OK. Now okay, and if you want to know that Java JDK is installed or not, there is one command for that. Just go here and just go. Okay, right, it's command prompt. Go here and type Java C. If it doesn't show any output, then Java JDK is not installed. If it show like this output, then Java JDK is successfully installed. So thank you for watching my videos. In the next video I'll show you how to install the Eclipse. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Jai Nepal.